Hey, if you want to record screen on your Redmi Pad SE, first of all you have to open this notification panel and you have to find this icon, Screen Recorder. If you don't have it right here, you can swipe to the left, maybe it will be located in this place, but also you can tap right here and just take a look if it doesn't appear somewhere here or here. And when you have this icon, you just have to click on the Screen Recorder, and right now you can click on this settings icon, and right now you can find some settings of the screen recorder. So here we can select the resolution, video quality, so that's the highest quality, the orientation, so we can go to the portrait or the landscape mode. Also you can select the sound source, so you can record the sounds from the microphone or from the system sounds, or also you can mute them. But unfortunately there's no way to record both sound sources. And here we can also get the frame rate between 15 to 30. We can also enable or disable option to lock screen to end the record. We can also show the touch gestures and show button taps. And if you want to start recording, just click on this button, tap to resume. And as you can see right now, the recording is on the way. You can move this icon wherever you want. And if you want to finish your records, tap on this icon 2 times. And then if you want to open the storage and watch your records, it will be located in the gallery. So that's how it looks. And that's all. Bye bye.